Okay, so let's talk about what kind of concepts you need to learn in programming. And you're learning programming, this is not one concept, but there are many concepts supposed to be learned. First of all, is the syntax of the language, as there is a grammar in the context of human languages. We do have a concept of syntax. The language, a computer language always will be having a syntax. Okay, there'll be keywords which you need to learn about. The keywords are the words which are used in programming language, like printf, like include, all such kind of words are the keywords which basically are already used for different purposes in programming language, and those words are not supposed to be declared as variables. We'll be explaining the concept of variables. Okay, then there's a concept of dry run, and then there's a concept of loops, then we have arrays, then we have data structures, which basically array is a data structure. Then we have concept of um, these are the basic concepts. Decision making, there's a concept of decision making by using different kind of keywords. We'll be talking about those as well. And then there's a concept of input, output. Then we'll be talking about uh, what you say is these concepts will be discussed deeply. But then these are the simple concepts, the basic concepts in the programming. Then we do have some complex concepts of the pointers. There's a concept of pointers. What do we mean by pointers? We'll be explaining the concept of pointers, but in C language. This is something which is really interesting, because of which you can even do hacking. You can even do, because of these pointers, you can do a lot of things. We'll be discussing in details in our videos, in upcoming videos. So slowly we'll be talking about all these concepts. These are some concepts which I explained at the moment, but then we'll be discussing one by one deeply all these concepts. What do we mean by syntax, and what are the loops, and what are the decision statements. And then we'll be talking about arrays, one-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays. We'll be discussing deeply all these concepts in programming. So you need to focus. Okay. So thank you. Thanks a lot.